conversation I had yesterday. The big deal. Should I say just can't or can't just? I'll be right back. Yeah, a lot of students will say, I can't just stop loving you. Or should I say, I just can't stop loving you, which is pretty correct. Now the key words used there are just can't or can't just. So when should I use a can't just and when should I use a just can't? The rule is this: the moment I have a can't before a just, I must use it with a negative sentence structure. But if I have my just before the can't, I'll use it with a positive sentence structure. I guess I'll have to take that again. Okay, let's have that again slowly. If I have a can't before the just, I have to use these phrase elements with a negative sentence. But if I have the just before the can't, then I have to use it with a positive sentence structure. So I'll say, I can't just stop loving him anymore. In this case, I don't want to continue to love him anymore. Negative. I just can't stop loving him. This implies that you have to or you want to continue loving this person, which is a positive thing. So once I say just can't, I'm actually introducing a positive sense or a positive idea. But the moment I say can't just, I definitely will be introducing a negative sentence or negative structure or idea. I guess we basically got the difference there. So the next time you go out there, you should be able to use the just can't and the captures more appropriately there. Remember, the just can't is positive, the can't just is negative. So the nature of the sentence now determines how you use them. I guess you learned something from this. If you did, hit on the subscription button below and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you get more educative videos as it pops up. Keep speaking English. This is the Council of Principals. I'm yours truly, Maxwell. Bye-bye.